In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can install the WordPress quickly. Now, after you have registered your domain name and you have claimed a webspace solo plan, go to your dashboard and then look for the domain name. So I've just registered a domain name, mustgowhere.com. I've also claimed a webspace solo SG. So you can see after I've searched, I've an account which is webspace solo SG and it is connected to my domain, mustgowhere.com. Click on this account here. Look for login to CPanel, and this place will be the place where you will install the WordPress installation. Click on Open CPanel. A new window will be open up, okay, and you will see an interface like this. To install WordPress, click on the left button here, which is WP2 Kit. As you can see, there isn't any WordPress being installed. Now click on WordPress. A left menu will be displayed, and this is what you will see. So go through the installation process, right? If you have a title, enter the title of your WordPress site. Okay, so in this case, my WordPress site is must go where. Basically, it's the site where I will be introducing anyone who is traveling to go to a specific location. Now, then you will see that there's an option here, plugin theme set. Okay, choose none if you're unsure, and then the language, the current version, choose the latest version, which is 6.3.2 in this at this time of recording. Username, leave it at it is. Password, okay, so this password is auto-generated. Okay, please save this password into somewhere safe. All right, and then this will be the email address. Now, this email address can be any email address, as long as it is an email address that will allow you to do password reset. Okay, so it is an important email address. Put in an email address that you will receive notification from this WordPress install on security, on management, and on any notification that the system will automatically send to you. Now, next, database, leave it as it is. Automated updates. Okay, now this part is important. In order to keep your WordPress secure, you have to constantly update WordPress site to the latest. So over here, let me explain to you quickly. WordPress Toolkit can automatically install WordPress core plugin themes updates and as soon as they become available. I would recommend that you will click on WordPress update automatically on this option. Yes, all minor and major updates. Now for plugin, I would recommend that you will force all plugin to be automatically updated and deactivate any plugin that is found with vulnerability. Okay, and of course, with this, there is a possibility where your WordPress site will be disfigured or certain function will be disabled, because if the plugin is being forcefully disabled, then that's where your site will dysfunction. Certain parts of your site will be dysfunction. Okay, but this is a safer option. It's better to have your site being dysfunctional than it is being hacked, right? So once there's a vulnerability being found, an alert will be sent to your email. Okay, which is why this email address here is very important. It will send you all the security information. Now, with regards to themes as well, okay, you should force the theme to be updated to the latest version. Next, click install and wait for the installation to run. You can see that there's a percentage here. Once it's completed, it will be 100% and your WordPress site will be displayed over here. So let's wait for it. Okay, now the installation is complete. We will leave the installation of plugins and themes to the next video. The next thing you will need to do is to click on the security, because there are some vulnerabilities being found. Click on security vulnerability, right? Okay, so over here, click on security measures. look at all these status, they are not really secure, so we are going to secure all these items. Just simply click select all and secure and wait for it to run. Now you can see that security measures are being applied. Check through it, go to WordPress vulnerabilities, and you can see that there shouldn't be any more vulnerabilities. Okay, although there's one here, but it's being mitigated. Okay, so let's do the mitigation. Okay, so it's already being mitigated, so there isn't anything that we can do anymore, right? Okay, so we can close this, and well, we can check whether this website is being set up with the WordPress install. Just click on open new tab, and there you go. You can see that a blog is about philosophy. Yeah, hello world. Okay, so this means that the WordPress site is already installed. Okay, so now how do you go to the admin panel of WordPress? Okay, you can go back to CPanel. At this part here, you can see that there's a login. Okay, click on login and it will bring you directly to the WordPress administration page. And from here, you can also install WordPress themes and the plugins for your WordPress site. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.